Hello students. Today we have to learn reflection of light. So what is basically the reflection of light? When light rays fall on an object, their direction changes and they turn back. This is called reflection of light. Here the picture or diagram is given. It shows when an incident ray fall on an object or surface of an object, they turn back. That is known as reflected ray. This is incident ray. So that the change in the direction of the light is known as the reflection of light. Light entering our eyes may be emitted by the object or reflected surrounding objects. Objects are visible only due to this phenomenon. आपल्याला ज्या काही वस्तू आजूबाजूच्या परिसरातल्या दिसतात किंवा आपल्याला जे काही दृष्टी प्राप्त होते ते कशाने होते तर हे रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाईट या फिनॉमिनॉनद्वारेच होते. मग यामध्ये आता इन्सिडंट रे आहे. या डायग्राममध्ये दिसत आहे तुम्हाला हा इन्सिडंट रे आहे. काय होती इन्सिडंट रे म्हणजे द रेज फॉलिंग ऑन एनी सरफेस आर नोन ॲज इन्सिडंट रे. हियर रे AO is known as incident ray. It falls on a surface is known as incident ray. Then reflected ray. After incident on a surface or of an object, it gets reflected or it changes the direction. That ray is known as reflected ray. Here OB is known as reflected ray. Then point of incidence is point O. Point of incidence कोणता याच्यामध्ये point O, because here incident ray fall on the point O and gets reflected here. That's why it is known as point of incidence. Then normal, it is known as normal perpendicular to the surface of the object. What is the definition? Normal perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence is known as the normal. It is of 90 degree. Then there are three main laws of reflection of light which is given here. Laws of reflection are followed in both and regular and irregular reflection. So here first law, angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Here the angle of reflection is given and here angle of incidence. Both angles are equal. This is the first law of reflection. Then second, incident ray, the reflected ray and normal are in a same plane. Here it is a plane given. Incident ray, normal and reflected ray are in a same plane. This is the second law. You have to learn it. It can come in the exam for 2 or 3 marks. So three of laws are very important in this chapter. Then third, the incident ray, reflected rays are on the opposite side of the normal. Here normal is given. Incident ray is either side of the normal and reflected ray is at the another side of the incident of the normal, and both three incident ray, normal and reflected ray are in a same plane. So these are the three important laws of the reflection. So below are some questions given. You have to solve it depending upon this worksheet. Next worksheet is 17. Here regular reflection, irregular reflection and reflection of reflected light we have to study. Now in this activity we have to study the types of reflection of light. First type is regular reflection. So what is regular reflection? Reflection of light from the plane and smooth surface is known as regular reflection. Here you can see here surface of an object is very smooth and regular. There is no irregularity there. That's why incident rays as well as reflected rays are parallel. Here are three incident rays, and when they gets reflected, All the rays are parallel in nature. If the angles of incident for incident rays are I1, I2, I3 and their angles of reflection are R1, R2, R3 respectively, then I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3 is equal to R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3. So the measurement of incident rays and reflected rays is exactly equal in this regular reflection of light. Then irregular reflection of light. In this you can see the surface of an object is very rough surface. म्हणजे रफ सरफेस म्हणजे खडबडीत जागा आहे ती. त्याच्यावरून जे काही रिफ्लेक्शन होईल ते या रेग्युलर मॅनरमध्ये होणार नाही. इरेग्युलर मॅनरमध्ये हे रिफ्लेक्शन दिसून येत आहे. चित्रावरूनच आपल्या लक्षात येतं. सो व्हॉट इज द इरेग्युलर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाईट? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाईट फ्रॉम अ रफ surface is called irregular reflection of light. In irregular reflection, the angles of incident of a parallel rays of incidence are not equal, and therefore their angles of reflection are also not equal. Therefore, I1 is not equal to I2 and I2 is not equal to I3. मधातच फोन टपकाचं. In this irregular reflection of light, angles of incidence I1 is not equal to I2, is not equal to I3, and I1 is equal to R1 but not equal to R2, not equal to R3. Thus the reflected rays are not parallel to one another and the speed spread over a large surface. This is clear from this figure. This is given figure of the irregular reflection of light. Tools based on the principle of reflection of light are as follows. This is the kaleidoscope and this is the periscope. Kaleidoscope, you know, you have listened sometimes. You can see different designs in the kaleidoscope. This is the specialty of kaleidoscope is that designs don't easily repeat themselves. Every time the design is different. People making wallpapers which are used to decorate walls, cloth designers use kaleidoscope for making new designs. This is the figure of kaleidoscope and this is the diagram of periscope. Below some assignments are given. You have to solve it based on this worksheet. Then next worksheet is 18. Here it is given the sound production of the sound, compression, rarefaction, medium of propagation of sound. We have learnt in the 9th standard this is propagation of sound. So what is here? How can the sound be produced? Sound can be generated from a vibrating object or by the striking the object. Propagation of the sound takes place through the compression and rarefaction. कॉम्प्रेशन म्हणजे आणि रेअरफॅक्शन म्हणजे काय ते आपण बघू आता. येथे दिलेलं कॉम्प्रेशन काय आहे? कॉम्प्रेशन means the region in which air is at high pressure and high density is called the compression. Here rarefaction is given. The region in which air is at low pressure and low density is called the rarefaction. But for production of sound waves, the object must be set in vibration. Also for the propagation, any medium like air, water, etc. are needed. The most important thing in the propagation of sound is the medium of the object. Medium needs for the propagation of the sound, that is like air, water, etc. Any medium, which whatever may be, but it should be there for the propagation of the sound waves. Here it is compression, here it is rarefaction. Frequency number of cycles, CRC. Here frequency, that is the number of cycles, you can write like this. This is the compression, this is the rarefaction and this is the rarefaction. This is the propagation or number of cycles of this sound are produced in the air per second is called the frequency of the sound wave. Frequency, what is meant the frequency? Number of cycles are produced in air per second. त्यालाच मराठीमध्ये वारंवारिता म्हणतात. म्हणजे एका युनिट सेकंडमध्ये किती सायकल्स निर्माण होतात साऊंडच्या, दॅट इज कॉम्प्रेशन, रेअरफॅक्शन अँड कॉम्प्रेशन. त्याला म्हटलं जाते फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ अ साऊंड. मराठीमध्ये त्यालाच म्हटलं जाते वारंवारिता. Frequency of different notes are given below. Here it is given. Frequency of measured in hertz. फ्रिक्वेन्सीचं युनिट काय आहे? हर्ट्ज आहे. सा रे गा मा पा धा नी हे कशाचे? हे म्युझिकमधले 7 स्वर आहेत, त्याच्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीज अशा पद्धतीने दिलेल्या आहेत. तर अशा प्रकारचे 16, 17, 18 नंबरच्या वर्कशीट आपण कंप्लीट केले आहे. त्याच्यावरचे असाइनमेंट्स तुम्हाला कंप्लीट करायचे आणि सेकंड टेस्टसुद्धा लवकरात लवकर सॉल्व करून शाळेमध्ये जमा करायचे. तोपर्यंत नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओसाठी वाट बघत राहा, शिकत राहा, सांगत राहा.